Hey guys, this is our next video. I got some new fidgets. Guys, a pop it. It pops really pretty well. Yeah, I do recommend these are at Sprout. I do have one of them, which is I got this, which is I got a water snake. Yeah, this isn't from Sprout, but it's the Sprout in Manchester though. But this isn't a Sprout. This is at Cracker Barrel. I saw like one at Cracker Barrel today. Yeah, I got these like today. Yeah, it pops really well though. I look here. Yeah. I got this little thingy. Brantley, if you're watching this, you're probably gonna love this thing. Okay. Wait real quick! Sorry, that's my parents. Early tomorrow. Like, that's not so good, but this side is like so easy to pop. See, look. So easy. I barely even pressed that on it. Now, the last but not least, oh no, I have these little Crayola things. One fell off. I don't know why I have them all out. For some reason, I took them all out. I don't know why I did that. Oh, sorry. Yeah. The last one is on a keychain. I'm going to hypnotize you with it. There we go. I got this fidget spinner. I got this fidget spinner dimple. And this is like my most favorite fidget of them all. Like, it's so good. I love all these so much. Okay, wait real quick. I'm trying to get the thingy out. Okay, yeah, see, look. It's kind of a little too big for me, as you see. But this, I can still use it. I can still use it. Wait. I know how to get it on my finger. So sorry, I'm just trying to. There, oh my gosh. Why? Can't. But yeah, you know the point. You know the point. But yeah, these are all my fidgets. This. Oh, not to mention, this has two little animal friends in it. Sequence as a turtle. Oh, come here, you little pinky pink bud. I just got a dolphin. See? We got the dolphin and the turtle, and there's even little thingies in here. Look how many there are in one place. Look how many there are in one place. It's so fun to squish. I recommend all of these. Like this one, actually maybe not this one that much. Like this one isn't like entirely good. But like one side is like isn't like I don't like I recommend this one a little less. But I like dinosaurs and I think this pops and it pops well and stuff. And I get it because like this side is like so hard to push down, and this side just gets too easy. And how this is hard is that so okay, so watch me. I just go as light as I can. As light as I can. I just hit it barely. And it literally triggers. And it triggers it to go down. That's how powerful it is. That's all I need. That's it. Yeah, if you like this video, hope you've had a satisfying day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Like and subscribe, my girls and boys. Yeah, good. Bye. Wait, yeet. Okay, yeah. Goodbye.